Okay, so in the series of videos where I am doing review of streaming applications for Indian content, I'll cover Zee5 in this one. So I've done all Balaji, TVF Play, Hotstar, and a lot of Sony Live as well. A lot of apps I've already reviewed, but this time I'm gonna review Zee5. And let me know if you have any further questions. I'll talk about the plan and what all shows you can expect and the interface as well. So this is a Zee5 Android TV app. They recently come up with an Android TV application. Otherwise, you can install the application on your mobile device. It can be your Android mobile or iOS, iPhone, and then you can cast your shows from your mobile onto the onto smart television. For that, your TV and mobile have to be on the same Wi-Fi network. That's the only requirement for that. Now I'll skip showing you the plans, but I just show you the interface how it would look. So they've got shows in Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Malayalam, Bangla, Telugu, Punjabi, Kannada, Bhojpuri, Oriya, Thai, Malay, Bahasa, German, and Russian. That's quite a big range. I don't think they will have shows dedicated in all those language, but they will be dubbed in those particular languages. But they're quite good for Marathi and Hindi. That's for sure, right? Okay, so in terms of, let's see how they categorize it. So if you show here, see here, let's go to shows, and we just concentrate on the shows from Zee5. So these are mostly Zee television shows that are recorded here, and these are available for free. So you don't need to subscribe if you're just watching shows that are on Zee TV. Not just Zee TV, but Zee Music, Zee Cinema, any of the channels which is part of Zee, right? Okay, if you want to view all of them, I'll just quickly browse you through, and this is the complete list. I won't read it all, but I'll just show you if you want to have a look. I don't know which one you'll be more interested in. If you have any question, specific question, just put in your comments and I'll be happy to come back and reply back to you. I'll find out if I don't have an answer and give you an answer reply. So Bhabiji Ghar Pe Hai, these episodes and even scenes from TV shows would be here. Okay, so let me come back. It's a big list, so I won't go into details. So then these are more popular ones which are not free. So you need to have subscriptions. Well, wherever it says premium on the top of the folder or the image, it's paid. So you need to have a subscription for that. Yeah, Kumkum Bhagya and others, Bhabiji Ghar Pe Hai, these are free, right? Then they've got a number of reality shows. Yeah, Saregama, I Can Do It, India's Best. And then these are some other shows, premium. So these are promos of the shows, other shows, Zee TV shows. This is a list of Zee TV shows categorization. So you can have all your shows from Zee TV at one place. These are and TV shows, Ganga, Chupke Chupke, Bhabiji Ghar Pe Hai and others. Then some old shows, Pavitra Rishta, Hum Panch, Baat Ban Jaye, and others. Okay, so these are the list of shows. I won't go into too much detail. These are the languages as well. Okay, I'll quickly show you what else can you expect. So these are shows. This is movies. Let's see what else can you expect. So any movie that would have come on Zee Cinema by now would be here for sure. That's one thing. Otherwise, if Zee Studios is one of the sponsors or producer, they would have it here very quickly after release. So you can see the list in here. You will need subscription to watch them. Yeah. So I won't go into too much detail, but they've got a good list of movies. So all Balaji is not good for movies. Hotstar is good, but Zee5 is much better in terms of the variety and list of movies. The recent ones, Zee5 is a better option. Yeah, you can see some old ones as well. Hum Saath Saath Hai, Maine Pyar Kiya, others. Yeah, so I won't go into each of them, but you can see on your screen. If you have any particular question, let me know. Simba, Kedarnath, Uri, these are all here. Yeah, okay, fine. Let me go back. Let's talk about news. So you would be able to see Z24. So Z News. they will have Vion and Zee News. You will have stories from there. So that's all in here. I don't Z Business is also here as well. So ESPN clippings. So Z Business is here. Yeah. So world news from Vion and others. So it covers news as well. Z News. So you can see these DNA other shows. These are all recorded in here. I don't think they will show live, but these are all recorded here. Oh, they got Z News live as well. So you can watch Z News live for free. Okay, that's good. So you can just, I won't play it because it will have copyright issues otherwise. Yeah. Then exclusives. What's on the exclusive? Let's quickly check. There's nothing as such. So we'll move to videos. So you got Republic TV as well. Okay, so within exclusive you got Republic. Fine. So you can watch Z News and Republic here. Yeah. Then all channels. So what are the channels within Z5? Let's quickly see. And TV, Z News. What else? ZTV. It's quite slow in loading, but we'll give it some time. Z Cinema. Okay, good. So some other languages as well are coming up. Okay, so I think these are the main ones that we wanted to see: ZTV, Z Cinema, and TV, Z News, Z Business, Z Bollywood. Yeah, okay, good. So let's see one of them quickly. Okay, they've got a big list and it's taking time to load as well. I'll give it some time. Yeah. In the meanwhile, for subscription outside UK, they will have a lot of promotions going on. So if you need a promo code, let me know. I'll be happy to share the current and the recent one, which would be working because they keep on changing from time to time. Yeah. But they should cost you with promotional codes should cost you around 13 to 14 pounds for an entire year, and it would be similar in terms of dollar as well. So if you are watching in US, it should cost you 12.99 for an entire year. Yeah. Let me go into one of them. Okay, it's a bit slow. This is not something I would have expected. Very slow, in fact. Yeah. Okay, it's asking me to subscribe, so I can't watch until I have subscribed it. Okay, fine. Okay, anyways, if you have any further questions on this particular app, let me know and I'll be happy to answer. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and put in your comments. As I said earlier, I'll be happy to respond back to you. I do videos from time to time covering most of the apps that should be taking part on your Android TVs, smart TVs, which apps are used good for, what are the best practices for your television to improve performance, what are the pros and cons of having more apps, less apps, what are the trending apps in 2020, 2019, how can you make best use of your television, how to watch Freeview, how to get apps subscribed at a lower cost. So if you have any similar questions, let me know and I'll be happy to answer. I'm just trying to go back to settings and show you a few settings and the options available, but the app is really very bad in performance. It's kind of stuck here and I can't move it, so that this is not something good. So I'll pause this video and come back again.